Get more power from your diesel pickup with a MotorOps custom engine tune. Whether you're towing light, towing heavy, or driving for fun and maximum performance, your truck can live up to its potential with MotorOps custom tuning. So unleash the power of your engine. It's fast and easy. Factory settings are made for average conditions and average driving skills. But you're not just an average driver. You need your truck to conquer the task. When the pedal's down, you expect results. And MotorOps tunes deliver lower EGTs, the smoothest power delivery, and superior reliability. All tuning is not the same. Hundreds of settings affect your engine's power delivery, but we have the proven fix. If you're thinking of modifying your truck, or already have, talk to one of our knowledgeable techs right now about your needs. We'll guide you not only through tuning, but how turbos, fuel injectors, and pumps could be part of your performance solution. With MotorOps, you can program your truck yourself with our easy do-it-yourself instructions and our expert dedicated telephone support. Or we can recommend a nearby MotorOps dealer and you can leave it all to the pros. Visit the MotorOps website today or give us a call and let's talk more power.